How to post more than 10 picture on Instagram. In order to post more than 10 picture on Instagram, you'll need to follow these steps. But before we get on, make sure to update the app to the latest version. So type in Instagram on the search bar and then make sure to update the app to the latest version. And once the application is completely open, you want to log in. Tap the plus button from the center of the page. And next, what here you need to do is you want to go ahead and select more than 10 picture. So let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and select these. So here you go, I have 12 posts. Click on the next button, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and select, or if you want to add in a tag, you could do that as well, or you could just add in a picture, and this way you'll be able to post more than 10 picture on Instagram. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.